Economic sector, India's exports grew 6.74% to $36.38 billion in September, while imports jumped around 16.6%, widening the trade deficit to about $31.15 billion. This is the highest in over a year. Now, this increase in inbound shipments of gold, fertilizer and silver has pushed the country's imports in September to about $68.53 billion as against $58.74 billion in the same month last year, according to official data. Now, cumulatively, in April-September, exports increased by 3.02% to about $220.12 billion, while imports rose from about 4.53% to $375.11 billion, leaving again a trade deficit of $154.99 billion. Now, briefing the media on this data, Commerce Secretary Rajesh Agrawal said that despite global economic turbulence, India's exports and services are doing well. And when asked about the reason for growth in the shipments, he said that the domestic industry has been resilient. In fact, on the impact of the 50% tariff imposed by the US on Indian goods, he said that the ministry is looking into its commodity-wise data to assess the impact at this point. Now, on this development, RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra also said that the Trump's tariffs are not a big concern for New Delhi.
We have, in our projections actually taken into account the higher tariffs as the baseline.
Right.
But negotiations, are on. Even in, today there is a team over here. So I met the team in the morning over breakfast. They're over here, discussing with the U.S. authorities. See, India is mostly a domestic-driven economy.
Right.
So while we are impacted, by the higher tariffs, it's not a matter of huge concern. 6.8%, of course, much below our aspirational levels of growth, Viksit Bharat 2047. So it does impact, but yes, there will be an upside if we are able to have an early resolution to the tariffs.